welcome back. So now it's time we start our today's EVS class. And in EVS we are learning about different things, our environment, then we have learnt about ourselves, isn't it? But today ma'am is going to teach you about two different colors. Though you have been using these colors in your sketchings, in your coloring work, but let us understand something more about these colors. Which are these two colors? Can you identify the two color papers that are here on the board? What color is this? Yes, it's blue color. Can you see? I have a blue color block. Isn't it? So this is blue color. Now if we talk of this blue color, we have number of examples like sky. It's blue in color. क्योंकि water का अपना color नहीं होता. You all know. When we see to the sea, oceans, जो बड़ी बड़ी water bodies हैं, उसमें sky की reflection आती है. That's why we always color water also in blue color. Isn't it? Then we have blueberries, a fruit which is blue in color. Then we have some aquatic animals like whale, shark, they are blue in color. Isn't it? So like this there are many things which are blue in color. One. Which is this color? What color is this? Can you tell me? It's a pink color. So this color is generally, blue color is generally favorite for boys. And pink is generally not, I don't know about everyone, but mine it's favorite, it's generally favorite for girls. Girls क्या करती हैं? उन्हें सब कुछ pink, 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 isn't it? So it's a girl's color. Now I have an example for pink color also. It's a pink color block. As I have shown you blue color block. So this is pink color block. Now if we talk of this pink color, we have lot of things. If you have ever seen a piglet, baby pig, pinkish होता है, that's pink in color. Then if we talk of heart shape हम most of the time pink color की करते हैं, isn't it? Then strawberry shake जब हम पीते हैं, that's always pink in color. So like this, today we are going to discuss about some pictures, objects that are blue in color and some that are pink in color. I have shown you we have building blocks that we play in our class with. आप class में आएंगे, then you will find lot of blocks of these colors with which we play, we make towers and all. Clear? So let's proceed. See different pictures of the objects that are blue in color and some that are pink in color. Clear? Let's begin our today's color class. So class, the first color that we are going to study is blue. Can you see blue's color on the screen? Yes, this is color blue. Let's see some examples of color blue. All of you say with me the name of this color. Blue. Let's see some examples in blue color. So we have blueberries. Can you see this fruit? They belong to the berries family and they are of blue color. So we call them blueberries. Then we have jeans. We all wear it, isn't it? हमारी सबकी कबर्ड में इसका कलेक्शन अवेलेबल होगा. And we all love wearing jeans. And you'll find jeans are generally blue in color. Okay? Then we have boots, rain boots. Can you see these rain boots? They are blue in color. We have a blue balloon. We have whale. I told you the whale, the big fish who's called whale, सबसे बड़ी होती है. It is blue in color. Can you see this blue ribbon? Yes, some of us wear it as an hair accessory. हम लोग इसको hair में लगाते हैं, either on hairband or on clip or anything. Or we even wrap our gifts with these ribbons. So the ribbon here we have is blue in color. Now on the next side we have blue color. So whenever you open your color box, you'll always find the shade of this color. Yes, we call it blue color. As I told you, sky. Sky is blue in color. There's a bird named macaw. That's blue in color. Here we have a beautiful blue butterfly. Isn't it? Then we have one more bird called blue jay. This bird is also blue in color. Oceans. I told you, पानी जो होता है, जो सी हैं, oceans हैं, rivers हैं, the water it has is colorless. उसमें कोई color नहीं होता water में. अब आप water drink करते हो, क्या वो blue color का होता है? No. But because the sky is blue, तो sky का जो reflection उस पानी में आता है, because of that water looks blue in color. Clear? Then again I told you, here also whale fish is blue in color. We have jeans in blue color, blueberries. Then we have different dresses, and some of us have blue as our favorite color also. Isn't it? Yes. Now, these are the examples of blue color object. Let's move ahead. Hope you all have understood well. Let's move ahead. What color is this now? It's pink color. Which color is this? Pink. And when we are talking of pink color, let us see some objects that are pink in color. So the very first thing is lotus, our national flower. You know, lotus is our national flower, and this lotus flower is pink in color. See, when we were doing birds, we have learnt about our national bird peacock. Now, I am going to tell you this lotus is our national flower and it is pink in color. Understood? Now, some more objects that are pink in color. We have pig. I told you, na, piglet. The baby pig is pink in color. Now we have a pink balloon, strawberries, they are a little bit pink in color. Then what else we have? We have a dress, we have a ribbon, they all are pink in color. Heart, I told you, whenever we draw a heart shape, we make it pink. Now there is a beautiful bird here. You can see here also and here also. So this beautiful bird is called flamingo. Clear? And you will find this bird near oceans and seas. These birds, the special thing about these birds is it's pink in color. Can you see this real image of flamingo? It's pink in color. Then we have a candle, pink in color. So, a muffin which is pink in color, and as I told you, strawberry ice cream, strawberry shake, even your strawberry cake, they are all pink in color. Isn't it? Whenever we celebrate birthdays, we put such ribbons having birthdays, happy birthday written on it. We have this type of decoration, pink in color. So class, I hope you have understood a lot about pink color also. So which are the two different colors we have learnt? One is pink and the other one is blue. Understood well? Revise the topic and bye all. Take care.